If you have gotten an error on your Epson printer, such as this one here, they're going to be pretty similar every time. It's just going to say printer error, turn the power off and on again, and it'll just probably show you the same message. It's just going to be a different code, or probably the same code on a WF-3640, 3620, 3540 printers, or similar kind. Most likely you have a paper jam somewhere, and there's a few places to look. I'll show you so you can continue using your printer right away. First place we're going to look is inside the paper cassette. Pull it out quick, gently, shine some light inside, and you can see a situation like this here. We have paper stuck in there, most likely that it was pulled into the printer and the printer was shut off, or something else went wrong, or there was a paper jam inside the printer at the time and it just got stuck there, and then you put new paper in and the drawer just jammed it in there. That could be the problem. So what you can do, the easiest way to get to it is just by turning the printer around, going to the back of it. And we're going to pull out the duplexer like so, and just pulling it gently back, and that paper comes with the duplexer. You're going to gently remove it, clean it up, and make sure there's no more paper or any paper pieces in there, and we're going to put the duplexer back in. Also, another issue that could go wrong is if these gears on the duplexer are out of place. It's a rare occasion, but it happens sometimes. Check that and put the duplexer fully in, and you can go ahead and turn the printer off and on again. But since this is not the only occasion when this happens, I will show you another reason why it may give you an error code. So we're going to open the printer, and inside we see here a situation. On the right side there's paper jammed. It will also trigger this error message. So there could be a little piece stuck on the right side, and this is it's just stuck there. We're going to try to pull the paper that we see very gently, because if we leave small pieces in there, it will give us problems later. Try pulling that, and then since this is in place, we're going to turn the printer off. And turn it back on again. Hear that hard clicking? It still has a problem there. We're going to see if there's more paper in there. Looks like it's clean and ready to go in here. We got all the paper out. I'm going to go ahead and close the scanner unit, and let's see what it says now. So it gives a nozzles maybe clogged message, but basically the error message is gone. Another reason that could trigger an error code, is if we open the printer, we can see a timing strip, the alignment strip. It's a clear strip that goes right above the belt that drives the print head, and it could have some ink in there, possibly from a paper jam, or just if you did some work in here inside the printer and some ink got on that, and it will also trigger a paper jam or some other error code on the screen, and that could be taken care of by just simply wiping, very gently wiping the clear strip, which is, like I said, it's this one here. It's right beside the belt, and it can be just wiped clean with either alcohol swabs or some Windex on paper towels. And that should take care of any problems that you have with the error messages that are very common on this printer.